Some expressions that talk about the weather are not actually about the weather.
Why is everything so quiet in the newsroom today?
We are expecting breaking news from the mayor's office.
Oh, so this is the calm before the storm.
Exactly. When news of her arrest breaks, this place is going to get crazy.
Before most big storms, there is that moment of calm. The air is still, the bugs and birds are quiet. Then the storm starts with rain, wind, thunder, and lightning. In spoken English, the calm before the storm is the period of quiet before something dramatic happens. And that's English in a Minute.
비오는 팰리세이드의 거리에 행진밴드 음악이 우렁차게 울려 퍼집니다. 한국전쟁을 비롯해 여러 전쟁에서 숨진 이들을 기리는 현충일 행사가 열리고 있는데요. 아침부터 줄기차게 내리는 비는 좀처럼 그치지 않고 있습니다.
It is a great honor to be speaking to you as we remember our service members and honor the sacrifices they made in protecting our living